Maraval. You know Maraval at Kurungan, you can almost see them. They're visible now, but the time they gave us is 4 minutes of an arrival. About 4 more minutes, or maybe 3.5 now. And when they are communicating between the bomber and us on the ground, you will be able to hear their transmission from the airplane to us on the ground. So you'll hear what they have to say, and they're probably going to show some appreciation about the pristine Palau paradise. Yeah, they're coming now. I'm going to put this thing on the radio so you can hear what they got to say from the airplane. Okay? So please, you people there, please be, you block in the, not you ambassador, the rest of you guys. The rest of you guys don't block my way, because I gotta tell the crowd where this airplane coming from and what to expect. Okay? Yeah. Well, I told Ambassador to look at me and said, me? No, not you, ma'am. You know, you're honored guest to this crowd today. Okay, so they're about 3 minutes away. They're about 3 minutes away. Get your camera ready. All right? And for those of you broadcast over the internet, do it. So the people from Palau that migrated out of here, they'll think about coming home by just looking at those B-52s that this is a show of power. We are well protected by the United States Department of Defense, and Ambassador is here to guarantee that. Yeah, more power to America. Anybody want to mess with us, we're going to tell, you know, our friends America. That's right. We're going to tell them. All right. Now they're coming. There's 2 minutes warning. 2 minutes warning. They're coming. They're coming. Okay. The music back there, please don't turn it up. You know, just stay still. And we're going to let you know what's going on. All right. The B-52s is about 2 minutes away. 2 minutes away to the west of here. 2 minutes away to the west. 1 minute. 1 minute. And this is just a warning. Make sure you protect your ear, because when they fly over, they're going to shake the entire bridge and everything else. You know, so please get ready for them. They're coming. And yeah, there you can see them now. Both of them, you can see the black smoke. Okay, listen to the B-52 talking.
Successful flight is 1,200 feet above the ground at 300 knots. Pier 70 is 500 feet below altitude with Pier 69. The two B-52s are controlled by Commander Lieutenant Colonel Kota Uzaka of the 59th Bomb Squadron and Lieutenant Holmes Beavis Street. Pier 69 is piloted by Captain Technique Lee, Lieutenant Dutch, navigated by Captain Nora Aldridge and Lieutenant Colonel Bruce Payne, and Captain Judge Albert. Pier 70 is piloted by Captain Ben Dow and Tyson Mason, navigated by Captain Ahab Gilliland and Lieutenant Gill with Captain Kea Bobby. Happy Independence Day.
There they are. They're flying over the B-52. That's him. You see 8 inches there? Yeah, that's how powerful they are. And they can fly at more than 50 feet above the ground. That's right. And they can fly over 10,000 miles. They have been in the service since 1952. They're about 65 years old today. All right? And that's American bomber, made by Boeing out of Seattle, Washington, or somewhere around there. Okay, thank you, America. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank the United States Navy, the Marine Corps, and the Air Force for providing this air show for us. We thank you so much. We thank you for your service, sir. All right. Okay, so either I'm said to lead B-52 fly over, and I think that is going to be the only two once over, and that's it. Now, according to the news release from the government, they say they're going to be doing something at the Capitol. No, that's wrong information. They only do it one time and one time only. And then they have to go back to their home base. So we thank you, America. We thank you so much, and thank you for being here in celebration of our silver anniversary of our independence. Okay? Now, we're going to get ready for the boat race this afternoon. So For lunch, there's a lot of booth back there, high-rise side shoes. They're selling all kinds of food, local food. So go and get yourself some drinks, some food, sit down and talk about our independence and mingle around with the Marines, you know. I'm surprised. If I wasn't holding this microphone, I'll be over there representing Army and talk some good stuff about Army. But I'm sorry I'm here, so I cannot do it, you know. But let's appreciate these people from the United States Armed Forces that are here in celebration of our 25th anniversary. Thank you so much. Continue celebrating until the boat race starts this afternoon. Thank you.
Okay, mga boses, so lang you get the mega adjustment to get boy and make sure that get boy have their move and remain the same. Low tide is 3 o'clock this afternoon, so we want to make sure that every boat is running inside the inside the race course. Okay, and all the spectators, make sure you don't go into race course, okay? Nobody stand before us. That lady over there, you gotta come back. Okay, the rest of you gotta come back. Only the official checkered flag holder will be there. Okay? And we want a clear, vision to my right. It's okay, ma'am. You're okay. I can look. But we have to see those boats go around the buoys back there and then all the way down there. So please stay behind me. Stay behind me, okay? Make my job easy. All right. Now, there's a discussion right now about reverse the category. Like instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way up, we're going to go to the top one, the people, the fast boat first for the show. Why we're doing this? I just came up with the idea. Like, who's going to be holding the checker flag? Okay, it's going to be General from the Marine Corps. His name is. Let me pronounce it right. His name is Castelvi. United States Marine Corps General, Major General Castelvi. He's going to be holding the checker flag this afternoon in honor of this 25th year of our anniversary, our independence, okay? And for all of you standing on the bridge, please keep moving. Don't stay up there. Don't stay up there because it's dangerous. When you fall, you die. Okay? We don't want to see anybody die. Okay, so now the reverse category pag chairman of Frank Kyotak, Senator. So lang kaya category board kaya lang Bradford make it say. So General of the United States Marine Corps will be holding the flag. Castelli, Major General Castelli is going to be holding the checker flag. Thank you, sir, for your service, and thank you for all those people that are over here playing band for us in celebration of our anniversary. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, that's right. At one time I was American, but I'm no longer American. But I still love America, though. Okay. Okay, it's not dangerous because the tide is very low. It's getting lower than this. Yesterday I checked it and it was not dangerous because those shallow areas really come up, and dangerous. All right, make sure nobody can be in front of us because we have to have a clear view to my left and clear view to my right. All right, so the rest of you push back a little bit. All right. Yeah. That's right there. Okay. And this camera over here are exceptional because they're working for higher ups. Okay. Dia bilang sempat kerja nanti antara race track dan race oh, sige. Aquí production ko nagtiyan brother, not lagi. Okay. I'm General Mura Konostate. Mura Konostate Rangers. Every year they're here assisting us, place the buoy and everything else, And if there's an emergency, they're there first. Thank you, Konostate government. Okay. And I'm going to take it to the category, prepare themselves, and get them taken to the race there afternoon. So I'm going to go back to the middle and say, Abi, yeah, I'm going to General Castelli, Major General Castelli of the United States Marine Corps is going to be holding Checkered flag this afternoon, all right? In honor of the 25th anniversary of the Republic of Palau. Okay, now let's go back to music and let's wait because it takes a little while to get them guys ready. Mason? Okay, Mason, Gireba, Senator. Senator Gireba, please come in. Mayor Tagami, bring your speedboat. Superman, Batman. And this is just for the show. Yeah. And then for the record, you're probably going to do it after. All right? But for now, we just do this for the show. So, Mason, please come to the main office. Please come to stand, okay? Alam mo na rin sa sound, debra ko sa tinil for a racetrack, debra ko nadalutin mo rin. So please stay tuned. Okay, for your information, we are now getting ready to fly the drone over KB Bridge. We're going to take some aerial picture of the bridge, both Irai and Goron side. So please don't fly any drone while we do this. We're doing this for the public, okay? So the drone now is going to be taking off and flying over the bridge, under the bridge, and then come back before the race starts. So please stay tuned. Okay, for your information, no flight zone is 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, meaning we cannot fly our drone because the no flight zone is still in effect. So we're not going to be able to do it. We're just going to concentrate on the video camera that we have. Sorry, but that's how government want it, just to be safe. Malugi suero, mergit rogo. Eso lang and Major General, United States Marine Corps, Castelli. And kaya kita lang ako kasi checkered flag. Kaya kita go to more race in an afternoon. Kaya special event. El Superman Batman. Ay kaya kita lang ako a special event.
Batman, Spider-Man, Superman.
Spider-Man? Okay, according to Frank, Spider-Man is going to be in the race this afternoon.
Captain America,
Okay. Where is that? I mean, Major General Mustafi. Well, I'm sorry. I see two stars there. Okay. Anyway, yes, sir. How many times are going to go around? 1, 2, 3, whatever. You want me to Okay, so they're going to go around and then one time. Okay. That special event in the afternoon, one time around. Okay, so long United States Marine Corps Major General Castelli is holding the checkered flag. Okay, so those three. Oh, are they ready to go? Where are the boats? They're already down the range. Okay. Again, umabas na po doon na puro ngayon. Umabas again. Fidel Vilas. el Mira Mormon,
Oh, yeah.
Margi Superman, mas Spider-Man, mas Batman. Oy. Allí que lang la Ray, eso lang el Margi el tao ba el starting flag.
Yeah, Facebook, RC.
Oy. Yan sa luging best hindi rin sila take off payment ko yun. Engage the starting flag of the about maybe 100 yards away from starting line and we're going to bandera again medio and tira take off. Okay? So clear the race course. Clear the race course at this time. Alright? You guys standing on the bridge, please keep on moving. Walk, don't throw trash. Alright? Tell them guys, ready? We got 5 more minutes. Okay, dito ko sa lahat sa mga tabi. Spider-Man, Superman, and Batman. Those three, they're about 200 some horsepower. Alright? I think sometimes, you know, they change cover. They put a 250 horsepower and then take a cover of 200 horsepower and put it on. So they qualify to run as a 200, but actually, they are 250. You know, we do have some cheaters around here too. Okay? So anyway, shame on you. Okay, Frank, ready? Ila Senator Frank Kyotan, hacer phone ng ilan, isola akundas yung nga Wi-Fi. Ito ang kami ilang film tiyan, yung top ng Wi-Fi, yung mga direct local top ng Wi-Fi, loya ka Facebook. Mensabi uno messaging live, okay? Page remam lang Diaz Broadcasting sa page remam. So in morning direct messaging. Ito talk individual ang artiang. Ay gagitan man ba lang. All right, di man ba lang. There they are. All right. There they are. All right.
Good job.
Okay. And now you hold on to it, and when they got to finish the line, sir, you do the same thing again. All right? Okay. Major General Castelvi, United States Marine Corps, holding the checkered flag. That's right.
Is that all right? You get the shot?
Okay, they're going to go around those buoys down yonder. And then when they go around those 3 buoys over there, they make a U-turn and come right back toward the west, and then make a U-turn where those 3 buoys end, and then come to finish the line. And that's where Major General Ostelzi waved the checkered flag, and that's the end of the race. Okay? Thank you, sir, for being here. Thank you for all your time. Thank you for the band that you brought with you. Yeah, and also thank you to Navy Rear Admiral Melan. Thank you. Okay, now they're coming. Get ready, they're coming. And these 2 boats, Batman and Superman, they do this every year. They change their engine, they change their oil, they change their gas, okay? I think, you know, like Mobil Oil and Shell Oil, they all put their fuel in this fast boat and run. Okay! Ela Gomez, ela, sige na lang ang Spider-Man is on the Lord, bago nga ako. Look at them. Okay, now they're going to go around. They're going to go around and come back. When they come back, all right, they're going to go around and come back to a finishing line. Guess Spider-Man is taking the lead.
I'd say do it again.
General Castelvi ready because this is it. This is the finishing line. Okay, get ready. Spider-Man is number 1. Oh Lord! Oh man! That's it. You did a good job, sir. Yeah. You know, here in Palau, we're crazy when it comes to fast boat. Yeah, we drive crazy too. Okay. Now let's get to category number 1. That's a special event category. Now we're going to do our first category from 1 to 35 horsepower. And let me get these guys ready. Come forward and get ready for the boat race this afternoon. Category number 1 from 1 to 35 horsepower. Palau Force and Pierce. Tyrone Dial is the driver, sponsored by Palau Force Fire Pierce, or Force. I think it's a Force. And then second competitor is BIDC, driven by Clifton Rubasa. Okay. And it says, come and elect along the lake. So next up the IDT, direct John Rose, Salty Boys. And they're just running around now, just try to warm up their boat for the race this afternoon. Okay, so Tyrone Dial, Clifton Rubas, and Jack Alous, please get ready for the category number 1 from 0 to 35 horsepower. Okay, get ready. But in the meantime, let's go back to our music. Please stay tuned. Okay, madal was so lang agi dagel first category layer til maral mail nga Palau Force ma PIDC cell 1 was Palau Force Tyrone Dial ma Clifton Rubas ma Jan Alous. Okay, I got the approach lang agil to the air till getting ready. Sola cell green flag lang ang cell air till mabudula Irai. Agel kudel air tengah race lang agil mas mo kertir solai emosois bertal race. Category number 1 el ngara first ngara 1 to 35 horsepower. Okay, mabes setir, mabes selvan derang lang. Mabes selvan derang solai abot mo kertir semes selvan derang medio, that's when they take off. Okay? Agil mura selvan derang lang. Make sure that tirigir lang stay in line and dia ka moruay mamaruriw sel mga banderangan medyo sel line up at tira mga banderangan medyo tirigagin na take off for lang and we sell number 3 from us lang sel kora dia mili wayo dagi ko nagdisang na take off nga mili wayo that is next I get the long ang maoy ki mga gid real ro piting de de okay I tell you siya na lagi ng race di alita madala ng starting line. Ay. Gino mo kamgabe mo gila rode may sel. Ay. Game iway. Ay, tumla kahit tumtora lang niya o tetlam tembet ko. Ay. Tige gid lang agi 1 lap mo liwet ka gid tigel goal para magdula. Pull overall, okay, como lo me septilen, se debe la time, etcétera. Lo brazo la sede de Malaroy de media de stream di I got video camera, as you see McMahon, eso la de identificar sel zone cover ni was nan no libet malo bendimla. Allí de la no me septilen, maral de la pull overall, magire ni sao. Eso la sel first el orange el boy. Me voy a hacer a white, me voy a hacer a left, seguir a red. Quiere el movimiento allí de el boy, eso la me voy a mover a right, el movimiento allí del boy, la movida furgel, y me veo drafté. 1 lap and 1 lap only. Okay? Ya kami ngarbe bulabi, please, semoran menetel. Soalnya malu continue berang, at least lagi mereka luas sediakan door kemerayan. Nomor-nomor memerayan, euk berang musel bitang, You can cheat. Instead of Maran was self tang kung nutulo po temrahe. Magati Maran di yo sa trado ulela ng sel ng alabula. Abi hindi mo utigil niya tayo. Ako sa sakro was sa magrado rula pal ngare. Okay. Okay. I get trail ang and now maliwek ilor niya din ke balas gen bit iwayo balas mo maliwek yung get ke blon bil grok yung visa ke yung la negotiation says third the orange boy is the last branye ya mal Israel lang mas kita ay dahil domesimir na maklod bulu le multimok raget ang sok sa ngorong sawa ay malulis ni Israel Tiyan yo na sa mga sok na nagay Okay, aja kita tidak air trelang segit sel miliway air trelang dia mamliwek sel el boy ramo de la kulon ya guess tablong lesugok ay kita la amra el dula ay right side ihan le dobeso wasay ngara la get tablong air amo finish the first place second place master place Okay, in the meantime, we still have category number 2, there's only 60 to 70 horsepower, there are 2 laps, and our actual air general cell. Give Express, Narmay, Narmay Express, talaga sa Narmay, 587, prefix Rai, Barakuda, Ngay. Okay, I got a lot of actual air, Timor Esel Gil operator era Raket Express ang sponsor sa akin. Pero kita gil air mo mesel nga race Raket 1 and marma get Okay, I got it yung PIDC lesel mo mesel mesilitir at subumang white ang itay hong itek. Oy, itek Okay, Evan Rood. Como me se no mara kami como me sa mo number 1 o mara am sir kami ra gigidlen ng amor to sa pagurod. Oh. Dia kaya mahamlet til join ay galen tikiting ara again. Oh. Ana mo niya ha? Malangos pa amo biloy. Okay. Makahala Gomez, kaya brand lang ay Yamaha, lolingat ay gelite kung say. Okay. Mangbergura mula sa kluga sugo maram sir kamiu pero Yamaha at kagil lamot ka number 1 okay kagil marbang Ngabay Express ang kumingay kita sigura ay buo ng mile di nga matagagin okay kagil lang ang game number 1 yan Gomez Smith Yamaha! Yeah, kita umaga kaya maraming dia kay galing niya ro niyo. Dia maraming dia just kaya di sila ang sangan si. Dia ang ran si. Okay. Marcy please sell gula sen ran di last en ram silly. Le tirgan sponsor tirgan o trabajo gal masil mang malungira se o lawan niya Alfonso Rasakli en ram silly. Jadi halu primakti merdero. Okay, misal logo lang al Yamaha. Regil bausok. Ya kasi rubas oleh. Ang artial marubas sama al-us. Chensa driver agi guru. Oy, bere dito la 6. Di blue cycle engine la Yamaha, Evan Road, Maroon Mercury. Okay, agi mo important tirada asorira agi el brand del tira o trao el top del was number 1, 2 or 3 or last whatever. Abang Okay. Then I get category number 2 as angara kami ito lang Okay, then category number 1 still, eh? Okay, tiagit sa last. Okay, tiagit sa men iway, eh? Okay, tiang am siringi itek, Kevin Root. Okay, tiagit. Yeah, be nice. Yeah, he's doing it for the show. Be nice. Okay, category number 2, I have 4 entries. 4 entries. Get Express, Alfonso Saki, sponsored by Buood. Armara Buood. Yeah, next, Angamay Express, Diablo Riwal, Tangga ulit. The Queen France, sponsored by Saito Giramakati. Yes, so lang next, number 3, 587, el local ringi automatic Nirbulgu, sponsored by the Broadcasting Company. There are 4, then last one, Barracuda, local ringi Adrian Delay, sponsored by J. Okada. I give you lang, I give entries in most toys for category number 2. Okay? So I have to was general sila important the bodongin was again the scene and when I got important the bodongin arang so keep it in mind malungi Marcy celebrate register that I get the seal and what's the other was they're going to register and what I get it there's a Yamaha and Root Mercury arang the sponsors have paid so much money to come here and so they are clear and know that they are not saying for them. Eh? Okay. Ikaw masindag sila di right. Okay. Get Express, Alfonso Saki, sponsored by Boot, Mua, Electrical Level Registered again. Yeah, Kabay Express, el local niya Mr. France, Saito, Miramagatia sponsor. Please, mga airtragal men checker ngayon. 587, el local niya Atamarik, Nirbulgu, sponsored by the Broadcasting Company. And number 4, Barracuda, el local niya Adrian Delay, sponsored by J. Okada. Please, mga airtragal men inspect, so that's 45 million more. Okay, Gomez ang narigia Yamaha, sa Yamaha say, lutin sa imora Yamaha, so la Wamir Free, lagi nila Evin Root, ako na biya question away naman ka. Ha? Okay, may mo ang mo sa malak uwi. Oo, Evin Root.